Welcome to ExpressTime Solutions tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to set up a new building so it can be utilized to the best of its ability. When logging into ExpressTime, you're able to come in to the Buildings tab under Customers and Buildings, and you're able to go and hit this green Insert. When you have the Insert building, it will give you all blanks, and I will show you a building that is already set up so you'll know what we are adding in. Put the building name, address, phone number, the main contact, the start date of your contract, any alarm codes, pricing level if you sell them products, chemicals, or miscellaneous things. You can give them multiple different pricing levels of what percent that product would be marked up with. Put your frequency if it's weekly, how many days a week, and what days. And then if you wanted to separate it in a division, area, or business type, which all these are customizable, you can set it up in any of those things for reporting purposes. Also over here, you have a few things that you can check to do for notifications. If you want to make caller ID required for this building to where they will only be able to clock in and out using the number that shows up under this account, and or use the GPS capability on the mobile app. If you allow them to do that, then you would click caller ID required. Notify if late. This allows you to customize each building. How much allotted time do you want your employees that they can be late before their manager is notified? Notify if short. That means if they leave before a certain amount of time of their schedule, you can set that up to give whatever lenience you want to give, and then notify early. If they arrive on the job before they're supposed to be there and clock in, you can put the time that you'd like to be notified if they do that. Once I have this all set up, I'm able to look at supervisors, and by clicking on the supervisor tab and inserting a record, I can actually add a supervisor to this building here. I can look and take notes about this client, and this also comes through the communication manager. If you're using that, it automatically puts the notes as well over here. Specifications, how much area this building might consist of, contacts for this building, approved supplies for this building, which this will be able to allow you in the field to be able to see what is approved for this building for ordering supplies from the mobile application. If there are any certifications for this building that needs to be specifics that they need to have done before they can work here, you can have the certifications. And then last but not least, the mobile GPS. This here grabs the longitude and latitude of the address itself. If this address is not 100% correct pulled off from that address, you can come down to manual override, and then you can check that box and type in what you would like. The distance here is 500 and it's in feet, so that means we are saying you've got to be within 500 feet of this coordinates in order to clock in or out. And in this setting, allow clock in and out outside of range is checked, so they can clock in outside of 500 feet, but it also says notify when they do that. So as soon as they do clock in outside of this range, since that's checked, their supervisor of this building will be notified and then will be given the exact distance that they were away from this building when they clocked in and out. If you do not want to allow them to clock in at all outside of range, just simply uncheck these boxes in post, and now they will not be able to clock in and out without being in this range. Thank you for watching how to set up a building with ExpressTime Solutions.